Well, everyone, we are back from a little hiatus in filming. Totally ran into some issues, as most people do building a car, but during COVID, some of the places were impossible to deal with, and yeah, kind of had to jump ship on a couple companies and switch and just make stuff happen as you can. Availability and stuff like that, and people and places giving you excuses, it doesn't really get you anywhere. So anyway, we're back, and boy, do things probably look a little different here. This is what I've been waiting for. Final assembly.
Excellent!
For those of you that have a good eye, you can see those changes. Kinda took the time and knew that we were gonna be down for longer than expected, and kinda went a little crazy, overboard. I don't know. ShitCar? Not so ShitCar. Basically removed the shit from ShitCar. And even had all my, well, we bought new hardware for the whole car, and from BMW, most of it from BMW, and then some other specialty stuff, like stuff you see in there, and there. And by the way, what are these? I wonder. Anyway, so this is all together. Let me see if I can poke the camera up here. There's even some new hotness in there, and up there, and yeah. So lots of things have finally came together on this thing. And the axles I've been waiting very, very long time for are finally here. So since we knew axles were gonna take over 6 months, you know, and we were working and filming through most of that, we just took a break for, I don't know, last month, I would say, ish, to basically tear the rest of the car down and have everything coated and rebuilt. And what I found with the factory brakes and the condition of them wasn't good. So really decided to really think about the car from a safety perspective, knowing that it's gonna do what I've designed it to do, and really need it to be safe. So this is it. Not much has changed up here. Did match this side and get that cut out, and obviously the wide body is the same that it was when we acquired the car on this side. Didn't really do much back here at all. And also have close to half the cage bent. Main hoop is back there. Some of the other bars are right there. Some are already in the car, as you guys just saw. So yeah, this is me coming back to finish this thing up now that we've got parts. Big shout out to a lot of the people that have been working behind the scenes to, you know, keep me rolling here. Guys at G-Force, big thank you to them. Let me pop one of these out just so you guys can check it out. But serious axle. Everything is designed on this car for a lot of power. And just look at those. These are totally built to my specs and their specs, about what we both collectively thought would, you know, would take and what it would need to do that. People at Pro Bearing, we got ceramic wheel bearings on the car now. Yeah, things have kind of sprouted out. Well, you know, I used the time wisely. The downtime on waiting for axles, waiting for some other pieces that I was committed to, and just I will not run the car without. We decided to, what can we do with that additional time? Another big thing is GoPro died, so even this came in. know it's hard to see, but that's all you'll get to see for now, I guess. But yeah, it's been a crazy wait. Over 2 years just for that piece. So, needless to say, I don't want to build a custom car anytime soon, ever again. I'm sure I will, but anyway, so this is all done. New pins, the new race pads, and BMW just came by and dropped off a little box of some pieces I was missing, stuff that I didn't want to reuse the old stuff. Well, some of you guys that have been following along, you know what kind of shape the car was in. This is what I pulled off of it. That's what it's supposed to look like. So I just got this side back together. I'm ready to throw the brakes on. Feels so good. I can't even explain the words, finally being able to put this thing back together. So that's what we're gonna do. See y'all in a bit.